again with another video, man. Hey, oh my God, man. Hey, you guys is really like messing with the kid. You know what I'm saying? Y'all really rocking with me, though. Like, the love is real, the hate is fake. You know what I'm saying? Double unboxing today on y'all. Double unboxing. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it like this. First off, I've been waiting to open this from SLAPP ENT. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go here first. Man, oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yes. We got it. We got it. Yes, yes. Oh, with the paper up in there. SLAPP. Shout out SLAPP, man. Shout out to the squad. Salute to the squad. Come on now. Look at him. Look at him. Team SLAPP. Team SLAPP. Let's not play no games. All right. Y'all seen. We got it. Ooh, clean hat. Clean. Shout out SLAPP ENT. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the squad. Do y'all seen? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, we are supporting each other. You know what I'm saying? We doing numbers up over here. Yes, sir. Yep, we got it. We got it. SLAPP ENT. Yep, we got it. You know what I'm saying? We're going to tuck him. Look, now today we got another review for y'all. All right, Air Jordan 1. Anniversary. You know what I'm saying? University ones. You know what I mean? Yes. Yes, just. Woo! Woo! The smell, though. Oh, my God. Do y'all see him? Yes. Y'all see him? Yeah, take him out. Woo! The materials, though. Ooh, the materials, though. Come on, man. Come on, man. Hey. Look. Check it out, man. Check it out. Listen. Look. Hey, I really appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? The merch is moving off the shelves. Oh my God. You guys like watching my videos? Y'all mess with me. This is beyond something of my wildest dreams. All right? You know what I'm saying? Yes, we wanted to do this. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. The merch is moving off the shelves, people. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. I really appreciate y'all, man. My DMs is flooded. You know what I'm saying? Text messages is flooded. When you dropping again? When you dropping again, Lou? Lou, when you dropping again? Oh, can I get a T? Can I get a T? Bro, it's up. You feel me? Up. One level. Up. You know what I'm saying? Elevated, bro. If you got a dream, go chase it. Because all this was just a dream. You feel me? It was a thought. You know what I'm saying? Let your thoughts be your dreams, bro. I really appreciate all of y'all. You know what I mean? I don't even want to go into the shoe like that, man, because I'm so thankful right now. Like, the merch is moving stupid. Merch is doing numbers. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying? RIP to the dog. Y'all, man, like, oh my goodness, man. Like, words can't even express how I'm feeling right now. Like, it's moving. You guys is messing with me, though. Like, y'all, like, function with the dude. Like, y'all, like the dude. You know what I'm saying? That's wild. It's wild. All right? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. One more time for the one time.